Hi, everybody. I'm going to show you today how to create the app Talk to Me. The first thing to do is that you have to enter the address, the web address is ai2.appinventor.mit.edu. When you hit enter, you will notice that this address disappears and appears a big address like this. This address belongs to Google. Is to log in with your Google account. Because I previously had the password recorded on my web browser, the page doesn't ask me to enter the password one more time. As soon as App Inventor opens, it will show me the previous activity. This activity that you are watching at this time is the same activity that you will going to do today. Is the finished product. When you click on this button, you will listen a message from your cell phone, from your or tablet, from your Android. So the first step to begin inside App Inventor is go to My Projects. Click on My Projects. Then choose Start New Project. It's very important that your project have a name without the spaces and special characters. You can put some words and you need these words with the down slash, the down dash, talk to me. Okay, then I will hit enter or okay. After I name it, I have the new project. I notice here the name of the project. You can name the project with any name you like. You can name it like Talk to Me only, and that's okay. I need to add the V12 because this same activity, I will do the same activity in the B11 and other groups. All right, then the first step is to drag and drop the button, text for button 1. Okay, the next step is to scroll down until you see media. Here in media, you will find the text to speech. We will drag and drop the text to speech, but notice that text to speech doesn't stick to the screen, to the display, but you can find text to speech here. After you drag and drop these two items, you will notice that here in the components, you will find, please wait a minute. Okay, here you will find the screen and button 1 and text to speech. The screen is the display. So in the screen, you can move the properties. So the background color, you can change the background color for something like this, or I don't know, like cyan, or black, or dark gray. For today, I will going to use the dark gray. Then, okay, then alignment. we will center the button and then center the button one more time. Now I have the button in the center of the screen. It's because the screen, notice that the screen is being aligned or horizontal center and vertical center. Then I will, please wait a minute. Okay. Then I can change the background. Actually, I can put an image in the background, but I will not do this thing at this time, just dark gray as a background. Then I can choose an icon for my application here. But now I'm going to change the button one and change the properties for the button. The first property that I will going to change is the font size for 30. I can make the text bold. And this application is to tap on the button. And after you tap on the button, you will listen a message from your Android device. So here in the text, I will change the text for button one for the text, hello. Hello, everybody. You can change the shape of the button. If I click here and I choose oval, you can have a button with oval form or rectangular or rounded. For this practice, I will choose rounded. Now I have a rounded button. In the text-to-speech, is this the last thing that we have to change? Notice that we begin with the left column, then we change to the right two columns. In this column, I will click on text-to-speech to modify the properties. In country, this will affect the accent of the speech. If you configure the speech like Italian, your application will sound with an Italian voice or with an Italian accent. So the best accurate language for us will be Spanish. Notice that we don't have Mexico here. We don't have Mexico or Latin American. No, we don't have it. So that is why when we listen to the Google Assistant, the accent is in Castellano, in Español de España. Language, I will click on Español, Spanish. One more time, if I click on here, Dutch or Italian, it will affect the accent of this speech. Actually, the correct for this application in English is this language, English. So I will choose the country one more time, and I will choose United States. United States of America. Here it is, USA in English. And that's it. We'll have finished the view, the designer view. Now let's switch to blocks view. The first step is to click on button one. In button one, you will have these options. For this practice is the first option because it say when button one click, what to do. Okay, when button one click, do text to speech, call text to speech, dot speak with a message. Notice that I have here a warning. This warning is because I don't have a message yet. I cannot leave this code like this. I have to add a message. After I add the message, notice that we don't have warnings, we don't have mistakes, we don't have errors. Everything is fine. But here I have to enter the message. Hello, everybody. I really, really, really hope you like this application. I really, really, really hope you like this application. And that's it. We finished the activity. The next step is to save it. To save this activity, go to My Projects, Save Project. The project is saved. And now go to Build. And here you will download the application file. Notice that here, this bar are showing that the application is being created. The other option is to generate a QR code to be scanned with my device and test the application. Okay, but at this time, at this moment, notice that I'm downloading the application to my computer. This application, I will send this application by mis cursos platform. Este es el archivo que me van a mandar, el archivo que acabo de generar. Okay, but you have another option that take a screenshot of this view and then take a screenshot of this other view and send me your two screenshots as a JPG files. Pueden hacer capturas de pantalla de esta y de esta, guardarlos como JPG y mandármelo por la aplicación, digo, por mis cursos. Sí se los permite que me manden JPGs con capturas de lo que hicieron, solo que tienen un máximo de 3 capturas. Bueno. Okay, now to finish, let's build the QR code. And if at this moment you have an Android device with a QR code reader, you will be able to scan your computer monitor. You will be able to scan the QR code at the same time as me to test this application. The thing that I need to do is just point my cell phone to the QR code. And then open the link. Now, let me show you in the camera. Now that I have scanned code, okay, I have to change my virtual background for this thing to work. All right. Then notice that after I scan with the QR code reader it said that this device is in risk to be damaged. But just this device, don't worry. This warning is already included in your cell phone, and it's just a pre-made message. Any application that you develop with App Inventor is safe, so don't worry. Now I click on install. I'm installing the application. Then I open the application, and that's it. We have it. This is the application. What happened if I tap on the button? Look. Okay, I think the volume of my cell phone is low. I will try again. I pop up the volume, and now listen to it.
Hello everybody. I really hope you like this application.
One more time.
Hello everybody. I really hope you like this application.
Okay, so you can make more buttons and configure different messages. When you tap in a message, you will listen that message. When you tap in another message, you will tap and you will listen another message. And that's it. Please make this application, send it to mis cursos, and I hope everything goes fine. Thank you very much, and see you later, alligator. Goodbye.